Scary sounds of Halloween. Scare trick-or-treaters or make your Halloween party extra spooky. One CD, 45 minutes of spooky sounds. One, ghouls and moans. Two, laughter and booze. Three, burning screams. Four, chainsaw. Five, booze and howls. Six, thunder and lightning. Seven, scary invitations. And this is my commentary. We remember the dangers that were and may be again. We realize some may take pleasure in our difficulty. Trying different things out is not always helpful. Technology is always ready to malfunction. Hell is intentional. If we are not wanted, maybe there is another to stay for, or another warns us there is something they wouldn't want another to go through. Distortion comes of different sorts. Creatures are around that have unknown capabilities. Modern dangers may not be avoided. Little nuisances add up. Something is trying to communicate with us. Some must be trapped in a torturous end. Sometimes death is long, difficult, and messy. Sometimes we don't know if we are in danger. There are secret orders with plans. Weather is not always safe. Hidden messages abound. Being convinced can make it more regretful. Being lost can spiral out of control. Featuring added wind and cricket effects by Railroad Tie themselves. So I guess that's some added minutes at the end.